Instead of guessing what data is available, Minexa.ai automatically discovers and ranks relevant fields so both developers and non-developers can quickly scrape SEC filings with ease. Open the page with your data. Minexa.ai does not need templates or pre-built scrapers. It builds everything automatically from this single starting point.
Launch Minexa.ai. Everything you need to start the extraction process is already in this panel.
Click the button, and Minexa.ai begins analyzing the full page. It identifies repeating result patterns and understands how content is organized across the page. The full result set is within reach. Minexa.ai found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run. Decide the depth here. List only grabs every item on the results page, while detail pages also opens and scrapes each individual record. Most pages work with continue. Choose advanced mode only when results appear after actions like selecting filters, expanding sections, or dismissing prompts. Confirm the highlighted block. If it matches your data, this is the only step needed before you can run extraction at any scale. All columns are identified. Select the fields you need like filing date, document type, and links, which will appear in your export, exactly as shown. Click API Request to get code that scrapes from saved HTML files instead of hitting the live page every time. Everything looks right. Hit Complete Configuration and your scraper setup is saved. Multi-page coverage is confirmed. The scraper follows every page of results on each run automatically.
Your scraper is ready to run. Optionally pick a schedule so Minexa.ai reruns it automatically and keeps your data fresh. Click Run and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. You can see filing dates, report types, and document links all neatly organized.
Click Export. Excel and JSON both use the same column structure, so the file works across different tools. Run large-scale batch extraction with a single scraper. Process tens of thousands of URLs in parallel without changing a thing.